Go.
So we're BRAMMOTO. I'm Bear, and this is Gabby. So as part of our conversion over to the new front forks, we have to do a modification on the frame. The issue that comes into play is this yoke. I call it a stem. I don't know. Call it what you will. Is a little bit shorter, so we actually have to do a modification on the frame to get this to work on the front end. And that's what we're here doing today. So let me pan the camera around. We're going to cut this off, clean all that out, take this section out, and weld this up to the top to give us the length that we need. So we're going to get started, and here we go. Alright, so our piece is off. Now what we have to do is we're going to come in here, grind this away, make sure it's dead even. Do the same thing on here, and then this is going to be welded back up onto the frame. So we're going to do a bit of setup, get this cleaned up, get these ready to weld back together. Oh yeah, see? Now we're down to 2 there.
Another pass over the whole thing.
No, because I'm going to come on with that flat disc and I'm going to smooth that right out.
It's good.
It's good and penetrated, right?
It's good inside.
You know how we like good penetration around here.
Absolutely not going to break.
Okay.
Ever.
Well, we're all done. We got it welded back together. We test fit the yoke. Fits perfect. I don't think we could get any closer to the length we wanted. All I have left to do, I'm going to dress up all these welds, make them look nice and pretty, clean up the frame, and get that all ready for powder coat. But for now, this part of the project's done. We're down the home stretch now. Well, today we went from this to this. And what this is going to be, like I had said in the beginning, this is going to be the battery box. The battery, these are the dimensions of what the battery is going to be. We'll slide into that, and I'll just have a little strap going over the top, secure the battery in. Now let me show you where this is going to go. Alright, so where this is going to go is I'm going to make some brackets on it, and I'm going to put it right in there. And then for the battery will, that's hard to do with 2 hands like this, slide in and drop into the battery box right there. So the plan is to have the battery right like that. I'll have this box bracketed right there in the back, and then the voltage regulator and the coils and the solenoid will go right up in this area, and then that plate that I talked about in a previous video, that'll go right over the top here, close that right off. Real easy access to the battery for either replacement or charging, jump starting, whatever. It'll just be a matter of taking this plate off the front that we're going to have there. So that's going to be it for today. I'm going to make up the brackets another day. I got to figure out exactly how I'm going to mount this in, and then make up some brackets for the other items that I just mentioned. So with that, thanks for watching, guys.